Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the Bluetooth call functionality of this wearable. As you can see here, we do have a support for call history. We have our favorite contacts, and we already added some numbers here, phone numbers, and we have a keypad. So we'll have a demo of the Bluetooth call, and let's see if the smartwatch do have a good speaker as well as mic, and if the keypad, phone book, and call history works. So if you are interested to see how the Bluetooth phone call works for the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth phone call of the Realme Watch 5. And as you can see here, we already have our favorite contacts here. Still don't have a call history. Let's check if we can receive calls here on the wearable. We have our other smartphone. So let's call the number. So we have Sam here, so we'll call Cindy. Let's try to call Cindy, and let's see if we can receive it here. It's now calling. And we have here, so Sam is calling. So we have an option to answer or deny the call, and the call. And regarding, so we have a missed call notification. And regarding the tone here, you have an option to change the ringtone. So we have sound and vibration. You can also set it to silent. You have a system volume. We have incoming call ringtone. So that is cheerful melody. Okay, we'll change this one. Excited rhythm. We also have here a message ringtone and vibration. We'll set it to low. Okay, so the Bluetooth phone call works here. You can receive calls here on the smartwatch. How about if we call here directly on the smartwatch? We'll use the favorite contacts. So Sam called us, so we will call Sam. And it's now dialing. Let's see if we can receive it here. And as you can see here, we have here a call. So as you can see here, the phone book works for our Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. If you want to add a number, you can go here in the support app, the Realme link. Watch 5. Then go to more functions. Okay, still syncing data. Let's wait. And we have here frequent contacts. You can add one if you like. Okay, and let's see if we do have a call history. Phone call history, and we have it here. Okay, so very good so far. Let's try the keypad. Okay, for the keypad, so let's call the number of Sam. So we have here 0969 and 61. Is it correct? 583 and 99. If it's correct, we'll be able to receive calls here. Let's call Sam, and we have here a call. Okay, so the dial pad or the keypad works for our Realme Watch 5. Again, we have here the call history with the option to delete it. We have favorite contacts. And the last one before we end our demo, let's answer the call here on the smartwatch. So let's call Cindy. Hopefully we can receive it here. and of course the volume and mic is okay. So that's our new ringtone. Answer the call. Hello, this is a Bluetooth phone call with a volume adjustment. Bye. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the Bluetooth phone call of the Realme Watch 5. And as you can see, everything works for our smartwatch from Realme. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.